Welcome to Shibadoge update. Now, Shibadoge have lost about $680,000 within the past 3 days. Well, Shibadoge, the combination of Shiba Inu and Dogecoin, which everyone believe that this is going to be Dogecoin killer, this is going to be Shiba Inu killer. In fact, so many people have been believing that Shibadoge is going to hit a high level just like Shiba Inu, and its holders will definitely become millionaires just like Shiba Inu. Oh yes, right now Shibadoge news, their plans, their project, everything is looking good, because this coin at the time of recording this is currently trading with about 16 zeros, and also it has been listed by Hotbit, by BigKex, by IndoEX, and by Uniswap V2. And even according to our roadmap stage 3, the developers have said they're actually working getting this coin to be listed by crypto.com, LBank, and Get.io. That is why I believe, so many people believe also that this is going to really become one of the biggest coin before the end of 2025 if their project, if all the plan can actually be achieved, especially getting listed by crypto.com, by LBank, by Get.io. In conjunction that this coin has been listed by Uniswap V2, it has been listed by Hotbit, by IndoEX, by BigKex. So if better we bring in other top crypto exchanges, remember these three are top exchanges, they are going to really help push the price of Shibadoge to really increase in price. Now, Shibadoge to me is going to be one of the biggest coin if they can really work on getting listed by top crypto exchanges and also by burning of Shibadoge tokens. Right now, Shibadoge have a lot of coin in circulation and they need to focus on destroying this coin. But I think they should also keep working hard, because they believe that if they can just get 1% of Shiba Inu and Dogecoin holders to come in and start buying and holding Shibadoge, they believe that 1% is going to really push the price of Shibadoge. Imagine 1% of Shiba Inu holders coming in to buy Shibadoge. Now, Shiba Inu have over millions of wallets that have been created. Okay, the Shibadoge is now approaching about 14,000 wallets, but Shiba Inu is now approaching millions, including that of Dogecoin. Now, imagine just 1% coming in, that is going to really increase the price of Shibadoge. And believe when whales actually have interest on Shibadoge, that actually affected the price of Shibadoge positively, and that is why Shibadoge community believe that if they can get more better news, if they can get a very good fundamental analysis, because fundamental and technical analysis have a lot of things to play in crypto industry. They can really push, they can really change, they can really affect the price of crypto industry to really go up or go down. Now we are going to experience a very long bullish trend if Shibadoge can get listed by top exchanges and then start burning of Shibadoge. But the burning is something I will explain more better in another video, because it's not going to be easy for Shibadoge to destroy the circulating supply this coin have right now. Shibadoge it's not just like every other crypto coins. Shibadoge have a lot of coin to be destroyed, so I don't think holders can do that. The developers need something special. They need to even destroy those coins on their own. That is the only way Shibadoge can really get prepared in order to hit a massive increase in price. But right now, Shibadoge have lost about $680,000 within 3 days. I think this is not really good for Shibadoge. They need to really work hard. They need to know, they need to do something in order to really help, and they need to do something different. They need to bring Shibadoge back on the track. They need to get the trust of the other people. They need to get Shibadoge to be more popular. They need Shibadoge out there to really start performing well. I think Shibadoge community also have a lot to say. When you go on Twitter, you can see people talking about Shibadoge. So many people actually love Shibadoge, but you can see what so many people are talking about Shibadoge being stagnant, the price being stagnant. I don't think that is going to be a better thing for Shibadoge. But right now, the developers need to work more on trying to get this coin to be listed on other top crypto exchanges. Well, I don't think Binance and Coinbase right now can be listing Shibadoge. If they do, that is going to be something unbelievable. But I believe people like Get.io, people like Kucoin, I believe LBank, even crypto.com, these guys can really help Shibadoge to increase in price. And then I also believe why so many people are not really investing on Shibadoge right now is the circulating supply of Shibadoge. Yes, it's too much. They need to work on that. If they can really work on that, believe it, people will start having more interest on this coin, and this coin is definitely going to increase in price. That is why I think Shibadoge developers need something. They need to do something more better. We believe that 2023 becomes a better year for Shibadoge than 2022. They need to change. They need to bring a better idea, a better road project that will really keep this coin on track. And I believe with that, Shibadoge definitely is going to really increase in price. But please remember, this is not a financial advice, so please kindly do your own research before taking any decision.